Hey traders, preparing for a new trading year, I decided to share with you my analysis on euro dollar, pound dollar, dollar CAD, silver, and oil. In this video, I will share with you my long-term outlook on these instruments. We will analyze the structure, the price action together, and I will give you my predictions for the coming year. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Alright traders, so I want to start with the dollar CAD pair, and here we are on a monthly time frame. What is important for us to realize is that dollar CAD pair is trading within a major, very big, very extended trading range. The market here is trading in sideways market. Look, over here we have the support of the range. Here we have the resistance of the range. You can see that for many years the market is stuck within that range. And recently you can see that this year in May we reached the support of that range. Once we reached the support of the range, we formed a very nice bullish engulfing candle on its support. And after that we see very nice bullish continuation. Opening a weekly time frame, you can see that here the market is approaching a very peculiar structure resistance. You can see that here on the left we have a very strong horizontal structure resistance area, and for now you can see that the market perfectly respects that. So what I would look for to catch a strong bullish rally on dollar CAD, I would look for the bullish violation of that yellow resistance to the upside when it at least the weekly candle close above that in the line area to confirm the breakout. And once that structure is broken, we will expect a bullish continuation at least to 134 level. It will be the next strong weekly structure resistance. Hey traders, it is the last chance for you to join my premium educational group on a huge discount. It is the 40% off. The offer expires tomorrow. And if you want to see how I trade live, if you want to see how I analyze the market live, if you want to learn my trading strategy, it will be the best place for you to be. For more info, check the link in the description below. The link is there, check it, or text me in one of the social networks. I will give you more details. Like on a dollar CAD pair, silver is trading in a consolidation. Here the market is trading within the horizontal trading range. Look, here goes the support of the range, and here goes the resistance of the range, quite extended one. And again, recently the market reached the support of that range, and after that we see a steady bullish continuation. So just based on the weekly time frame, we may expect a further bullish continuation on silver. And your confirmation to buy silver will be on a daily time frame. As you can see at the moment, the market is approaching this daily structure resistance. Yes, this local structure resistance for now looks respected. You can see that once it was touched, we have a very nice bearish reaction from that. So for now, I would patiently wait for the bullish breakout of that yellow area, and then on a retest, I would buy, expecting a bullish continuation. In case of the confirmed breakout of that yellow structure resistance, I believe that the market will grow at least to 25.3 level. And because we are trading very close to the support of the range that we spotted in the weekly time frame, also be prepared for a potential bearish breakout of the support of the range. Just in case if bears break the support of the range to the downside, a strong bearish rally will be expected. Moreover, look at the recent price action. Here we have a local strong bearish impulse, then the price retraced, and in case if we drop lower violating that support, we will set a new lower close, and technically speaking the market will start trading in a bearish trend. So consider the breakout scenario as well. And now let's talk about pound dollar. As you can see from June, the market started to trade in a bearish trend, and recently the market reached this quite strong weekly structure support. Yes, the market reached a structure cluster, and on that two very huge doji candles were formed, and then we formed a very nice bullish engulfing candle. So it looks like the market is preparing for a correctional movement. It looks like the market can easily go higher. And the closest resistance that I would look for to catch a bearish rally is based on that following trend line. Yes, for now it looks like it is the closest strong structure from where the next strong bearish wave may initiate. Yes, so that trend line is very important, and I definitely want you to watch that carefully. But also consider the breakout scenario. Yes, just in case if the trend line is not reached and bears start pushing the pair, The bearish violation of that yellow structure support to the downside, the weekly candle close below that will be a very strong bearish trigger. And then on the retest, I will look for shorting opportunities from here, expecting a strong bearish continuation. In case of a breakout, I will expect a bearish movement all the way down to 1.275 level. It will be the closest strong structure support. And by the way, look what I spotted on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, the pair formed a very cute double bottom formation. I hope you see that. Look, here we have this very cute double bottom. And look what happened. The price violated the neckline of this double bottom formation to the upside. We broke and closed above that. So locally, based on a daily time frame perspective, the market looks very bullish. Yes, and for now, I expect a bullish continuation, at least to that structural resistance. So for now, the best strategy for you to follow is, if you are the intraday trader, is to look for the test of the broken neckline of this double bottom formation. And from the neckline, I would look for buying opportunities to this 1.35 level. And what about oil? WTI crude oil is still trading in a very strong bullish trend. And so far, I spotted right here a very cute expanding wedge pattern. Look. Here goes this support of the wedge, and you can see that so far the support is respected 3 times in a row. At the same time, right here I see this major rising trend line, and you can see that for now the higher highs are perfectly respecting this trend line. So what I would look for on oil, I would look for a bullish continuation to retest current structure high on oil and then go higher to this major rising trend line. So far the outlook is very bullish. However, if you missed the buying opportunity from this horizontal structure support, the safest option for now is to patiently wait for the test of that support. You should let the price reach that support first, and right here you should look for the confirmation to buy oil. And by the way, just in case if the support of the wedge is broken to the downside, I wouldn't sell. Yes, it will be very risky in my view. The market here is trading in a very sharp bullish trend, and the violation of that support won't signify the trend violation to me. And now in brief, let me show you key horizontal resistances on WTI crude oil in case of a bullish continuation. In case if we violate our local structure high, I believe that the market can easily reach 91 level, 91.7. It is the closest strong horizontal structure resistance, yes. And then the next strong resistance will be around 107 level, again just purely based on the price action in the past. So monitor this 2 key levels carefully. Last but not least is Eurodollar. From the beginning of this year, the market is trading in a bearish trend. Once that structure high was reached, we dropped, we set the low high, and then we dropped again, and we saw a very strong bearish continuation right here. And recently, the price reached this very strong weekly structure support. And once that support was reached, you can see that the market started to trade in a local trading range. The market started to consolidate. We see the sequence of very weak candles. So for now, the market is accumulating. And for now, what I would look for on Eurodollar, because the market is trading in a bearish trend, the first option, of course, is the breakout trading. So in case if that yellow structure support is broken to the downside, then a strong bearish continuation will be expected. On a retest, I will look for shorting opportunities, and from that yellow area, I would expect a bearish rally all the way down to 1.07 level, the next strong structure support cluster. In case if that weekly support is respected, in case if the price respects the support that we spotted, here are 2 resistances for you to watch. The first resistance is based on that trend line. Yes, here we have this very peculiar falling trend line, and the recent low highs are perfectly respecting that trend line. So that will be the closest strong resistance for you to look for shorting opportunities in case of a bullish continuation. And then the next strong resistance will be right here. This major horizontal structure cluster. Look how strong it is. Look how many times in the past it was respected. Yes, many times it was a very strong support. And after the breakout, it turned into a very strong resistance. So of course, in case of the test of that yellow area, a strong bearish rally will be expected from there. Alright traders, let me know in the comment section what instruments do you want me to analyze in the next videos. Also, don't forget about the big discount on my premium educational group. It is the last chance for you to join it with the 40% discount. The offer expires tomorrow. The link in the description below. Also, the prices will increase next year, so hurry up and don't miss your chance. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you soon.